Good afternoon, students. Our today's topic is difference between prospectus and statement in lieu of prospectus. So, meaning prospectus refers to a legal document published by the company to invite the general public for subscribing its shares and debentures. As we all know, beta, prospectus is a legal document which is issued by the public company for invitation to the general public for the purchasing of shares and debenture, where statement in lieu of prospectus is a document issued by the public company only, where it doesn't offer the security for the public subscription. Means to say that when public company wants to raise its capital from the known persons, then it will be issued statement in lieu of prospectus. Objective: to encourage the public subscription because it is issued by the public, and statement in lieu of prospectus to be filled with the file with the registrar. Next one is capital raised from the general public, matlab from where it can be raised. Capital raised from the known resources. Okay, so it contained detailed prescription by the Indian Companies Act 2013, and it contained the information similar to the prospectus but in brief. Means to say that detailed description about the contents in prospectus, and if I talk about the statement in lieu of prospectus, the content will be the same, information will be the same but in brief form. Okay, so these are the major differences between prospectus and statement in lieu of prospectus.